Are you tired of dealing with dull, lifeless hair that refuses to grow past a certain length? Imagine if I told you that achieving long, luscious locks didn't have to involve endless trips to the salon or expensive hair treatments. Many of us dream of long, luscious locks that cascade down our backs, but achieving this goal often feels like an elusive dream. In our modern age, we are bombarded with countless hair care products promising miraculous results. Yet the truth is that many of these products are filled with harsh chemicals that can do more harm than good. Fortunately, there is a time-tested solution that has been passed down through generations: Grandma's homemade hair oil. In traditional households, grandmothers have long been revered as the keepers of ancient wisdom when it comes to natural remedies for hair care. These remedies, often made from simple yet potent ingredients found in nature, have stood the test of time and continue to be trusted for their effectiveness. One such remedy involves the use of mustard oil and Indian gooseberry, two powerhouse ingredients known for their ability to nourish the scalp, strengthen the hair follicles, and promote healthy hair growth. So today we are going to tell you about a home remedy made by grandmother to make hair longer, and we will know the benefits of it for hair. If you found these tips helpful and want to learn more about natural hair care and beauty remedies, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. What things should be used to make hair longer? Does mustard oil regrow hair? Mustard oil has been used for centuries as a natural conditioner for the hair. Its rich nutrient content, including vitamins and minerals, penetrates deep into the hair shaft, moisturizing and nourishing the hair from within. By regularly massaging mustard oil into the scalp, you can improve blood circulation, stimulate hair follicles, and encourage faster hair growth. Additionally, mustard oil helps to seal moisture into the hair, preventing dryness and breakage. In rural Indian villages, it's common practice for women to apply mustard oil to their hair regularly. Despite harsh environmental conditions, these women often boast long, thick, and healthy hair, a testament to the power of this natural remedy. Indian gooseberry, amla. Indian gooseberry, also known as amla, is another key ingredient in Grandma's homemade hair oil, rich in vitamin C and antioxidants. Amla nourishes the scalp, strengthens the hair roots, and promotes hair growth. It also helps to maintain the natural pH balance of the scalp, preventing dandruff and other scalp conditions that can hinder hair growth. In Ayurvedic medicine, amla is revered for its rejuvenating properties. Many Ayurvedic hair care products feature amla as a key ingredient due to its ability to promote hair growth and improve hair texture. Preparation and application. To harness the benefits of mustard oil and Indian gooseberry for hair growth, a simple homemade hair oil can be prepared. By mixing freshly ground Indian gooseberry with mustard oil and applying it to the scalp and hair regularly, you can nourish your hair from root to tip, leading to longer, stronger, and healthier hair. A study conducted in 2020 found that participants who regularly applied a combination of mustard oil and Indian gooseberry oil to their hair experienced significant improvement in hair growth and thickness compared to those using commercial hair care products. In a world saturated with chemical-laden hair care products, Grandma's homemade hair oil offers a natural and effective solution for promoting long, healthy hair growth. By harnessing the power of mustard oil and Indian gooseberry, you can nourish your hair from the inside out, achieving the luscious locks you've always dreamed of. So why not give Grandma's remedy a try and unlock the secrets to vibrant, beautiful hair?